Humanoid robots are officially stepping into our homes, not in the distant future, but right now. The company 1X has just launched Neo, calling it the world's first consumer-ready humanoid home robot, and it's already up for pre-order. You can actually buy one for $20,000, or if that's too steep, lease it for $499 a month with a 6-month minimum. It's 5'6", weighs 66 pounds, connects to Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and 5G, and it can fold laundry, load your dishwasher, carry groceries, and even act as a friendly home companion. But the wild part? That sleek, autonomous-looking robot you saw online isn't completely independent. There's still a human teleoperator behind the scenes, guiding it through virtual reality. The launch happened on October 28, 2025, marking a massive milestone for 1X, a California-based robotics company, formerly known as Robotics. Up until now, they've mainly worked on industrial machines like Eve, a semi-humanoid warehouse robot that rolled on wheels. Neo, though, is their big leap into everyday homes, a full-bodied, humanoid helper designed to look natural in your living space. It stands 168 centimeters tall, weighs 30 kilograms, and is wrapped in a soft 3D lattice polymer shell that gives it a fabric-like feel. You can choose from tan, gray, or dark brown, making it look more like modern furniture than a metallic lab prototype. Connectivity and design aside, Neo's attention to personality is what makes it stand out. Its head includes light rings around the ears that glow different colors based on its activity, including when a remote operator connects. It's loaded with speakers so it can talk, play music, or even act as a funky home sound system. The hands are waterproof, but the rest of its body isn't, and 1X had some fun with that, joking that if Neo gets wet, you'll need a child-sized swimming pool and 100 kilograms of basmati rice. So yeah, best to keep it dry. Each charge gives about 4 hours of battery life, and you can interact with it through voice commands. Just say, "Hey Neo," or use the dedicated mobile app. It's surprisingly strong, able to lift up to 68 kilograms and carry 25 kilograms, so it can handle things like hauling laundry baskets or moving boxes around. In early demonstrations, it folded a shirt in 2 minutes, picked up objects, switched lights off, and even handed flowers to a resident. During one test, though, it nearly lost balance while closing a dishwasher door. So while it's impressive, it's not exactly graceful yet. According to CEO Bernd Bornich, this launch officially moves humanoids from science fiction and research into real homes. The company is marketing Neo not just as a housekeeper, but as a companion robot, something that can assist families, support the elderly, and even learn how to adapt to your household over time. With AI updates and machine learning, Neo's capabilities are expected to improve month by month, eventually tackling complex tasks like cooking, deep cleaning, and even offering basic conversational insight. But despite the hype, Neo's not fully autonomous yet. Behind that futuristic polish is a human operator, what 1X calls a 1X expert. These operators wear VR headsets and remotely control the robot to help it perform new or complicated tasks. The footage from those viral videos showing Neo smoothly gliding around? That's a person piloting it live. Still, it's not a bad thing. These sessions actually train Neo's AI, teaching it to repeat those same actions independently later on. Think of it as a robot apprenticeship. It learns from human guidance. Of course, this setup raises some privacy and security concerns. After all, you're technically letting a stranger operate a robot in your home. 1X says no one can access Neo without your permission, and when someone connects, the ear lights change color to let you know. They've added privacy filters, blurred video feeds, and allow you to block off no-access zones inside your home. It's an interesting balance between convenience and trust. You're welcoming cutting-edge tech that still relies on real human presence. If you're thinking of getting one, the pre-order process is simple. Put down a $200 deposit, then either buy it outright for $20,000 or lease it for $499 per month with a 6-month minimum. Leasing comes with full maintenance and software updates, so your robot stays fresh and bug-free. Deliveries begin in the US in 2026, while international markets, including Europe and Asia, are set for 2027. As for performance, early reviews are mixed but optimistic. The Wall Street Journal described Neo as slow but functional, taking 2 minutes to fold a shirt and moving carefully to avoid tipping. It's quiet, though, reportedly quieter than a refrigerator, and already smarter than most prototype humanoids we've seen. And since every user's experience helps refine the system, Neo's learning pace will accelerate as more units enter homes. Right now, Neo's ahead of its competition. Tesla's Optimus is still in prototype mode, not expected to hit production until next year. XPeng, the Chinese EV maker, is developing a humanoid called Iron, currently being tested in a Guangzhou factory and planned for mass production in 2026. Neither company has opened consumer pre-orders yet, making 1X the first to actually sell a humanoid home robot you can bring into your living room. So yeah, Neo might not be perfect, but it's the first real humanoid home assistant that regular people can actually buy. It folds laundry, tidies up, plays music, and learns from humans in real time. It's part robot, part trainee, part symbol of the next phase of home automation. Sure, it's still a little awkward and a lot expensive, but this is where the future starts. With a $20,000 robot that might one day handle your chores all by itself. Until then, it's learning, adapting, and maybe struggling to close the dishwasher, but it's doing it with style. And that's the story of 1X's Neo, the sleek, slightly clumsy, and totally fascinating humanoid robot that just made home robotics feel real.